going to make a famous drink, Aam Panna. Aam Panna is a refreshing Indian drink mostly prepared in the North India. Let's pluck some mangoes from our garden to make Aam Panna. Raw mangoes, roasted cumin powder, soap, mint and some black salt powder. Peeling the mangoes. After peeling is done, we have to cut it. During we are boiling the mango pulp, we are adding the spices to it. First we are going to add roasted cumin powder. Now we are going to add salt. Let's add some black salt to it. Time to add some sugar. Let's turn off the gas and give a good stir to it. Finally, let's add some mint leaf. Let's blend the mango pulp which we boiled. Our Aam Panna is ready. Let's taste it. You will enjoy the khatta meeta flavor. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this Aam Panna.